Hare Krishna, and welcome to the Bhakti Roots course. My name is Bhakti Mike Jennings, and I will be taking you through course materials and quizzes. The first thing that you will need to do is log in, and I've taken the liberty under this user account to have enrolled in all of the different courses. That way I can just jump in and out of them real quick to show you the different lesson types. It's recommended that you take one section at a time, starting with your course syllabus. Well, actually starting with the course introductions, but we're already in that right now. So we'll start with the course syllabus, just go over it briefly. You have a welcome letter, and this is the first type of lesson, even though this is not a lesson. This is a text-based lesson where there's just nothing embedded, no audio, video, or anything like that. And then the course syllabus, we have one for printing and one that's in color. If you want to print it out, and we highly recommend that you do, you can use this one. And you can just basically click the print button, and you will be able to print your syllabus. You can also save it to your hard drive. And this is a embedded PDF. Okay, so this is an actual PDF document that's inside of the learning management system. Then we also have a pronunciation guide for you to print out. You can also save it to your hard drive. And we have both of these documents in color if you just want to open them in a different window or something like that, keep them or just look at them in color. Now, the first section is titled Prayer, Song, and Scriptures. And we have, again, embedded PDF lessons, as you see here. Now, I just want to bring up the point that with PDFs that are embedded, there is a little bit of a load time. And I'll show you an example on the next page of one that loads rather slow. It's an entire book, so it will take a minute for it to load into the screen. And if it's going slow, just be patient because it will load. Now, the next type of file or lesson is an audio file with text. Now, for the pranam mantras, we took audio clips and embedded them in the bottom that you can play and pause. And then you can follow along with the verse up top. All of the files marked audio and text are situated that way. And it's the same way for some of the songs and not yet the Nishrima prayer, not yet the selected verses, not yet for the Prasadam pastimes. We will have those files in the future, so all of the lessons on this page will be like the audio file and text. Now, the next page is section 2. Where again, you will find PDF embedded lessons. And with this section, we have full quizzes now that are either multiple choice or true false. Each quiz is labeled as to how many questions, the minimum score that you need to pass that quiz, and all the quizzes are, you're able to take them in an unlimited amount of time. Now, this is the book I was referring to. So when I click on that, you'll see that it does take a little bit of time. So I have a really good internet connection. So if yours does not load that fast, it will. Well, it won't. It will eventually load, is what I meant to say. So just be patient, and it will get there. So all of these are chapter quizzes. More quizzes for the different selected reading materials. And that is it for this page. So the next page is section 3. And on this page, we have a different type of lesson. It's an embedded website. So because we're asking you to review lectures, we've embedded the lecture website so that you can simply go to the various lectures and just select one. The same goes for the initiation lectures. Here they are here. Each section has a description of the course and also requirements that you need to complete before you can take the course. So the order of courses is the course introduction, then to the course syllabus to review the documents, download or print your syllabus and pronunciation guide, then starting with section 1. Now, at this time, we're going to segue into the journals, and I just want to say that when you enroll for section 1, you should also go over into the journal for section 1. Check that it has pulled in your data. Go down, I already have data filled in here, and just click apply. That way you have officially started your course and you have activated your journal for that course. I wish you well on your path, and Haribol.